Good morning, students. This is the ninth video of the chapter Nazi and the Rise of Hitler. And this video has been made for class 9th. Now, this particular video will discuss that how Nazi targeted the youth of his country, or how Hitler brainwashed the youth generation of Germany, and after that, how youth admitted his power, his domination in his own country. So let us discuss that who was the target first. So Hitler was a very clever man. He targeted first of all the school children. His aim was to completely turn the school children as their submissive. And his dream was to turn the school children into followers of Nazism. So that is why from the very beginning school children were targeted, so that they could not ask any question regarding the authority or domination of Hitler. So that is why from the very beginning school children were targeted and they were brainwashed. First of all, the school children were targeted, and in the school the curriculum was changed, and inside the curriculum new things were included, like male were asked to be more aggressive, to be more punctual, and to learn the different sports so that they can become more aggressive and more hard to get ready for joining the army. So from the very beginning, the school children were given the training. They were completely brainwashed from the physical side as well as from the mental side. In the school also, when the school children were sitting, the concept of racial discrimination was introduced in the school also. Here in the school children were asked to remain isolated from the Jewish children. The Jewish children were classified, they were completely separated, and after that they were asked to leave the school. Even the same condition was there for the school children. School children as well as school teachers. So here school teachers were also asked to leave the school if they were from the undesirable group. So this is how the school children also got classified into the desirable and undesirable. Only desirable school children were allowed to go on with their studies, and they were given different type of physical training as well as mental training in the school. So here it is mentioned that undesirables were thrown out of the school. So we need to understand here that undesirable, that was not necessary for the Germany, it was picked out, and after that it was thrown out and it was forced to live in the ghettos area. So we need to understand here that this undesirable concept and desirable concept was applied to school children also. Now in the classroom was completely oriented towards the hate, towards the Jews. In the classroom, the students were asked, they were given the lessons how to hate Jews, how to be submissive, how to love Hitler, how to obey the orders of Hitler. And after that, the different classes were oriented to defame the Jewish person. Like in one or two classes, it was shown that Jewish person are like mouse. They are going to eat your resources. They will rot everything. So this is how the hate was created in the minds of Nordic Aryan children against the Jews. So that when they will grow, they could not ask the question from Hitler that why you did this particular type of activities towards the Jewish group. So here we need to understand the classes were completely oriented towards the hate, and hate was propagated. Now, after that, Hitler planned that from the very beginning, I mean from age group of 4 to 5 till the age group of 18, there was a complete plan. There was a complete chalk out of plan, and school children were getting the training, as well as after that, when they entered the age of 10 years, they were sent to Jungpol. Jungpol was a separate school in which special training was provided to the school children. And in that particular school, they were asked to be submissive, be more aggressive. So here we need to understand that when they became 10 years old, they were given the next training in the Jungpol. when the children became age of, when the children attained the age of 14, he was given the chance to join the Hitler Youth Group, and which he was given the further training regarding the sports, regarding the armed forces, and the different type of ideology, Nazi ideology. So here basically in the age of 14 years, they were injected with the idea of Nazism, and basically they were exposed to the idea of Nazism on a broad level. So we need to understand here. Now at the age of 18, at the age of 18, they were given the army training, or they were forced to join one of the Nazis group. So this is how from the very beginning till the age of 18, when they are mature, they are under the influence of Nazism and Hitler. So this is how the school children or the youth were completely brainwashed under the Nazi Germany. And the one basic question is that how they were brainwashed. So we discussed here that from the age group of 4 till the age group of 18, they were under the complete training, or they were under the complete ideological training. And this is how the Nazi youth were targeted. Now come to the next segment, that what was the condition of women in the society. So we need to understand that here different parameters were set for male and women. Here women were asked to be more submissive, to become the carrier of the pure blood of Aryans. So here different trainings were given. Male was given the training to become more hard, more tough, so that he could defend the Germany from opponents or from enemy. Meanwhile, the females were asked to be good mother and carrier of pure blood, so that they can produce more and more children that belong to German group, that belong to German Nordic Aryan group. So women were asked to produce more and more children that was pure children. So this was the classification that was done by Hitler. So from the very beginning also, the young school girls were asked to obey the orders of their elders, and they were brainwashed completely under the ideology of Nazism. So this is how the ideology of Nazi, it influenced the youth in his own country. And that is the question that from 1933 or 34 till 1945, no one asked question against Hitler. No one put barrier against Hitler in Germany, because he targeted the entire generation. He almost made one generation his follower, and no one asked question about his domination, about his authority in his own country. So this is how Germany was finally captured by Nazism, and with the help of youth, of course, entire country got under influence of Nazism. So this is all about in this video. Thank you so much.